On January 29, 2025, the skies above Washington, D.C. became the scene of one of the deadliest aviation disasters in U.S. history. An American Eagle passenger jet and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collided mid-air near Reagan National Airport. In just seconds, 67 lives were lost, leaving investigators and the nation in shock. Today we uncover how this tragedy unfolded, what caused it, and how it changed aviation safety forever. American Eagle Flight 4567 had departed from New York's LaGuardia Airport, heading toward Washington, D.C., with 61 passengers and 4 crew members on board. At the same time, a U.S. Army UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter was conducting a routine training flight in restricted airspace. Clear skies suggested normal flying conditions, but the close proximity of civilian and military traffic set the stage for disaster. At 1:43 p.m., as Flight 4567 prepared for its approach into Reagan National Airport, it crossed paths with the Black Hawk over the Potomac River. Despite air traffic control warnings, both aircraft converged at the same altitude. In an instant, the jet's nose struck the helicopter's rotor blades, creating a massive explosion in the sky. Wreckage rained down into the river and nearby neighborhoods. All 67 people aboard both aircraft perished instantly. The National Transportation Safety Board launched an immediate investigation. Black box recordings revealed that miscommunication between air traffic controllers and the military flight crew played a major role. The Black Hawk had been cleared for restricted airspace, but drifted into a civilian flight corridor. Meanwhile, the American Eagle crew received conflicting instructions during their descent. Experts determined that a breakdown in coordination led to the deadly collision. The disaster shook both the aviation and defense communities. Following the crash, the FAA and Pentagon implemented stricter coordination rules for military and civilian flights near busy air corridors. Additional safeguards in radar tracking and communication were also introduced. While nothing could bring back the 67 lives lost, this tragedy forced systemic changes that may prevent similar disasters in the future. This was the story of the 2025 Washington, D.C. mid-air collision, one of the deadliest air disasters in American history. What do you think could have prevented this tragedy? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to Skyline Tragedies for more aviation disaster stories every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday.